In this video, we will be showing you how to do the Fisherman Rib Stitch. The Fisherman Rib Stitch is comprised of 2 rows, one of all knit stitches and the next of 1 knit one below and 1 purl. Let's begin. To start, you are going to knit all of the stitches on your wrong side. The next row, which will be your right side that I'm demonstrating here, you will work as follows. Knit your first stitch. This is the edge stitch. For the next stitch, we are going to knit into the stitch below. Knit the stitch below as you would a normal knit stitch and slide everything off onto your right needle. Purl the next stitch. From here, you will continue to work 1 stitch of knitting one below and 1 stitch of purling. Continue working in this pattern until you get to the last stitch, which will be your edge stitch, and knit.